It's been a long time since I've gone to a train show. Luckily, I found one that was not too far away from me last weekend, and it was incredible. When I heard train meet, I was picturing just something smaller, something with a few tables and some new and used trains. I had no idea it was going to be this big. This is a very large high school, and this is their gymnasium, and two gigantic layouts nearly fill the thing. This one here is probably my favorite because it's in O scale, O gauge. So the train show is not just about layouts, it is also about merchandise. And in this way, Lakota West did not disappoint. There were so many people selling so many different types of new and used trains. You could find Lionel stuff, you could find N-scale stuff, you could find garden railways. If you liked literature, if you liked books, catalogs, brochures, you could find those here too. If you wanted to find a t-shirt or a hat or some signs to promote your railway or your sports team, that was here also. They had a little bit of everything. It was pretty awesome. But the main reason I came was to find one or two cheap, maybe bargain trains to work on myself and redecorate, reimagine, repurpose for my YouTube channel. And I was pretty lucky this day. There's definitely a lot to take in here, and I made, I think, 3 passes through the entire show just to make sure I didn't miss anything. I ended up buying 3 items, 4 if you count a transformer, but I will show you my train show finds next time. And until then, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and take care. This has been Bob's Workshop. Bye-bye.